All right, Carolee, are you ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready, Laurel?
I'm ready. I'm so ready.
All right.
Okay, here we go. Let's open it. Here we go. It's a box.
It's a box. Did you get
Wow,
cardboard?
There's a lot of cardboard in
I
here.
got a lot of cardboard.
That's very protected.
We can do fun stuff. Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
It's real. It's real.
It's real. Wait a second. We wrote a book.
I know these people.
We wrote a book. I could totally cry right now.
Look.
Oh, wait. What? Is that us?
I don't even know the page number.
I have found it. But wait, there's more, right?
Oh yeah, there's more. Look.
Oh my gosh. Okay, well, you can get the book now. You can get a copy. Oh my gosh.
You can get a real book by us.
It's a real book and it's so pretty.
It
All
is
right.
pretty.
We have to thank our editor and the whole team, the whole publishing team from ISTE.
The book team's amazing.
Thank you, Val. Thank you, Emily. Thank you to the
Steph.
whole editing team.
Thank you, amazing team. Thank you to all our contributors.
Thank you to ISTE for taking a chance on us.
Thank you. Thank you to Emma Humphreys for writing our foreword.
Yes.
For all our front book people for shouting us out.
And for everyone that read it and gave us feedback and gave us reviews and helped us refine.
And everyone who's in the stories in our books and our family.
I was going to say, last but not least, our family, obviously, they put up with a lot to get us here.
Yeah. Who knew?
Who knew?
Who knew? So much work to write a book.
We wrote a book.
We wrote a book.
Bring history and civics to life.
Yay.
Yay. All right.